I'd like to show you our new Vangear-Weekender conversion. The concept of our Weekender conversion is a crossover camper van. A camper van that has a no compromise everyday car, and one which will also be used as a camper van for trips away and weekends away. The van that we're using here is the Mercedes Vito 114 with the Blue Tech engine. The advantage of this van is very sophisticated and a level of refinement that is not far away from a SUV. I'll show you a quick guide of the van. So inside we have the two swivelling front seats, and we have our Vangear Maxi camper van system with a domestic twin burner. The table stores inside of the unit. There's adjustable leg. So our Weekender conversion uses the factory seats. It has a two rib swivel plates on the front seat, so the front seat swivel around to create this dining area, and it has the Mercedes factory seats. These seats fold down, and I'll show you in a minute. The bed slides over the top. The advantage of using these seats are the comfort and the safety of the seats with the ISOFIT fittings for child seats. Part of the concept is also to make the system removable. So this front kitchenette unit is removable. These seats tip forward. The rear bed module is also removable, so it gives you the practicality of an estate car. These seats are also completely removable from the mountings in the floor. So in addition to the kitchenette unit, we have the domestic cooler. This is the TCX 14, which works pretty well actually, and has the advantage of it's removable, so when you're loading up the van you can remove the cooler to load up at home. We have the Sergeant management system here, the electrics. In the wheel arch we have the Sergeant controller and the leisure battery, and it's controlled from here. You can turn the lights on and off from here, and we have the three individual LED lights which can be turned off individually as well. And then we have a 12-volt socket and a 240 socket for when you're hooked up at the campsite. Okay, the Vito we have here has the full factory trim, so it has the full headlining, full side panels and door panels, all in the Mercedes trim. In the rear we've got our storage unit, which has access from the side and with tambour door and more storage in the bottom there. So in the roof we have our large domed vent, which is almost essential for nighttime sleeping. There's the mosquito net and blind, and we also have blinds and curtains all the way around the van. So on the outside we have the two-lay awning, for which the handle is stored in the rear. Handle there, and it winds out. And in the rear we have our Vangear bed system. So the concept of the bed system is the multi-purpose use of the van. So this whole bed can be removed easily with these fittings, and also it provides lots of storage underneath there. And you can see in the rear there we have our shower. Which can be filled up. Obviously you could put some warm water in there if you wanted. This is a fitting to fit the shower onto the door. So we fold down the rear seats, and pull over the rear leaf. That fits into the slot in the rear of the bed, and we use the buckle to refit it. Here we're using this custom-made mattress for camper vans, made by Cedar Summit in Australia. It works like a thermarest. We release the valve and it's self-inflating like a thermarest. A couple of minutes it will inflate. And once it's fully inflated, you redo the valves up, and I can assure you that it is one of the most comfortable beds I've slept on. The advantage of this system over typical rock and roll beds is the removability of the whole system and the versatility, and even the mattress itself has some advantages where there's no slots in the sections of the bed, so it's one large flat mattress. And of course this mattress could even be used at home in your own house.